Clear Bra super translucent door handle protectants for your Tesla Model S. And in this video we're going to explain how to put them on step by step. We're going to explain what you need to do to prepare the vehicle, how to get it ready, and how you will eliminate burning your fingers on your hot door handles, and you will not have any more fingerprints, as the cars show so many fingerprints. Okay, the first step is going to be getting everything ready we sent you and understanding what we have. Of course, you have 4 door handles like this, and you have this turbo squeegee. This squeegee is designed for Clear Bra installation, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. We're going to be putting Clear Bra over this door handle. So you want to use this super turbo squeegee to squeegee the vehicle. Again, the first step is to prepare the vehicle. So you want to open the door, and you want to clean this door handle and make it as clean as possible using Windex or the alcohol solution we're going to discuss in a minute, but make sure there's no fingerprints at all on this door handle. The next thing is you're going to make a solution of alcohol, 25% alcohol, 75% water. Just take a bottle from Costco for like $3, pour some in another bottle, 25% alcohol, 75% water. This is your solution for putting the sticker on, squeegeeing it, and making it last and stay on there until you want to take it off one day. Okay, that's step 1. Now we're going to go to step 2. Step 2, to install the anti-fingerprint, anti-scalding Model S door handle covers, we're going to simply get our solution ready of alcohol, 20%, put a fine mist over the parts, carefully remove the holding tabs we've installed. And again, with these tabs, this allows you to get a hold of the decal without touching it, so you won't put any fingerprints on the back of it. Simply spray alcohol on both sides and on the decal and the door handle. Position it so there is a 1/8 inch border showing a visible chrome around the entire part, and put it in place. Then take your super turbo squeegee that we sent you, making sure that everything is wet, and start squeegeeing all of the water and the alcohol out from underneath the decal. And as you do this, the adherence will be very strong because of the adhesive on the back of the clear expel film. Alright, you can see we've got a very, very nice sample, and here you can see how easy it is to pull up a piece when you get any kind of air bubble or any kind of trapment. And you want to remove the decal adhesive handles that we have placed on your decal. Here you can see I've got a little edge on this corner I want to pull up and maybe move a little higher so it's not going to be stuck underneath. There we go. And again, time, drying, all the other factors will make this very perfect and virtually transparent. The last step is the anti-scalding flap. Many of us walk up to our Teslas and the doors don't open automatically. So we have to touch the door handle and completely over and over and over again put fingerprints on it. This is the flap we're going to put on the back that's going to stop our fingers from burning when we grab the door handle in the summer. The car's been sitting out in the sun. Sure, we're all used to that. That's why we created these. And as you can see, now it's completely finished, and removing all traces of water from underneath. Again, spraying over the top with the solution, pressing down firmly, and now we'll just dry it, clean it up, close the door handle, and give it a shot. Okay, and as you can see, a close-up zoom there with our cameraman, you can see there's virtually no fingerprint showing. If you see any little water bottles or water deposits, you can squeegee them out. And here's a perfect test of the application. You can see now I have a thumb print I'm trying to put on here, and it's nothing like the chrome. You can wipe it off, clean it up. This will protect it from rock chips any kind of keys, fingernails, scratchings, and again, the anti-scalding flab is in the back.